This is question number 1. We have an object which is 6 kilograms. So A is 6, so there will be 6G as a force going down, and there will be a normal reactive force, and there will be a tension force. Is there any friction? No, it's a smooth surface, so there is no frictional force. There's going to be 3 forces acting on mass A. If I look at mass B, which is 4 kilograms, there will be a weight force of 4G, and there will be tension in the string, but there's no normal reactive force because B is not sitting on a surface. So there are the 5 forces. Choose a different color, do your force angles, arrows nice and big. Use the string for the tension forces. Okay, find the tension of the string and the acceleration of each object. Okay, so I'm going to do the back object first. So N is going to equal 6G, and in the horizontal distance, the resultant force in the direction of motion, which is this way, will equal T minus nothing, because there's nothing in the opposite direction. So 6 times A equals T is equation number 1. Looking at this other object, it's only going down, so the resultant force in the direction of motion will be 4G minus T, which means that 4A will equal 4G minus T, therefore T equals 4A plus 4G, and that's equation number 2. To solve these equations simultaneously, if I make T equal to T, therefore 6A equals 4A plus 4G. Sorry, that's move the T over, that ends up being minus 4A plus 4G. So minus 4A plus 4G. 10A equals 4G, A equals 2G on 5 meters per second squared is an answer for A, and I would also accept for A 3.92 meters per second squared, or 588 on 25 meters per second squared, which means that T equals 6 times A, so it's going to be 12G on 5, or 23.52 newtons. Find the tension of the string and the acceleration. Find the acceleration of A after it reaches the edge of the surface. So this object is going to move 2 meters. How fast is it traveling when it gets to the edge? I have constant acceleration of 2G on 5. So acceleration equals 2G on 5, and that's not variable, it's constant. It was initially at rest. I want to know what V equals when the distance equals 2 meters. So I'm going to use V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. V squared equals 2 times 2G on 5 times 2. Therefore, on a calculator, V is going to give me an answer of 2 root 10G on 5, or 3.96